Main Street bound 7 train. Houston, Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains. Oh! We're not entry. No entry. It says we're not enter. It says no entry. We're not entry the stairs. At the Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains are running express. See right there has the Junction Boulevard station. It's there. And for 7 trains are not running on the local track. Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains are not running on the local track. Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains are running on the express track. At the Queensboro Plaza bound 7 express train, local train, not express, only local, not express. Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains there. See right there? It's 0 minutes. Have around 7 trains. Via local. Via local. 7 trains crossing Main Street. Via local. At Junction Boulevard Station. Queensbound E, F, M, R trains. This one has a line. 7 trains. It says instead of pushing Hudson Yards on the express, on the local, on the super express track.
Attention everyone. 7 trains are not running between Queensboro Plaza and 34th Street Hudson Yards because of track basements. For service to Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue, transfer at Queensboro Plaza to the free shuttle bus. For service to Manhattan, transfer at 74th Street Broadway to a Manhattan-bound E, F, or R train, or transfer at Queensboro Plaza to a Manhattan-bound N or W train.
Here's the and then express track. Okay, let it have your Bernie Wagon Blast announcements. Many announcements, guys. Centering to Queensboro Plaza.
Attention everyone. Queensboro Plaza bound 7 trains are running on the express track between 74th Street Broadway and Queensboro Plaza because of track replacement. If your stop is skipped, transfer at 61st Street, Woodside, or Queensboro Plaza to a Main Street bound 7 train.
Okay.
There is a 7 train to Queensboro Plaza. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.